Welcome back everyone to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill and shout out to my UGG family for sending these my way. This is going to be the hottest UGG silhouette, which is brand new for 2025. I promise you. These are called the Classic Micros, which I'm obsessed with already. And this is in the sand colorway. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back everyone to another unboxing and styling segment. If you're joining us for the first time, welcome, and be sure to hit that subscribe down below if you're not already subscribed to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy these unboxing and styling reviews. Today we are going to be talking about UGG's newest silhouette. This is the Classic Micro. So we'll go through the overview of these, jump into size and fit, followed by how I styled this beautiful clean sand colorway. Then we'll conclude with how much these are going for on the retail market and where you can snag a pair. Let's jump right into it. So before I start talking about the details, I do want to read the card that UGG sent me. And just so you can kind of see here, what's really cool is look at that. What do you see there? A little I Spy magnifying glass that they've taped onto the box. So I'm going to untape this because I have a feeling we're going to actually need this for something. Haven't used one of these in a long time, but on the card it says, can you spot your new favorite classic? The sun is shining, the waves are crashing, and the brand new Classic Micros are hiding. There are 6 hiding in the Venice Beach scene. Can you spot them all? All right, let's take a look to see how this, oh, this is so cool. Okay, so I've already started to spot a couple pairs of the Micro Uggs in here. I think I've found 3 of them so far, 4 of them so far. There's the last one. This is like a Where's Waldo kind of game. This is so much fun. Let me just kind of show you what this looks like. You may need this to see, but you know, pretty cool. What a fun little game. Okay, and then I also received this really cool UGG ball cap, which perfectly matches the sand. So I'm going to be rocking this 100% with these. As far as the silhouette goes, so this is reimagined based off of the classic UGG. So same kind of variation of that boot, but lower cut. And when I put these on, honestly, like this fits like a glove. I do love the low cut of this, but it's not so low that it doesn't feel like it's snug and that it's going to fly off my foot or my heel. This literally nestles it perfectly. And as far as the sand colorway, love it. Super natural, super nice finish and tone. Really goes great with my skin and skin tone. As far as the upper goes, so we've got that luxurious suede material that we know and love so much with UGGs. As far as the interior, as you can see, we've got that nice fluffy sheepskin, which is super cozy and comfortable. And we've got the UGG branding in there as well with a nice kind of pull tab and suede. And then we've got UGG on the back in a nice neutral tone. And then as we work to the midsole, this is nice neutral kind of brownish tone. Same color for the outsole with the UGG branding. And of course, you already know this has an EVA outsole, so super, super comfortable. I've been obsessed with UGGs for the longest time, and so it's really exciting to see that they are revamping some of their classic silhouettes and making amazing ones like this new Micro or Classic Micro. All right, so let's take a look at those last and final details, then jump into size and fit. All right, so as far as size and fit goes, I went with an EU 39. Do take into consideration that Uggs do tend to stretch out a little bit. So it is smart to size down in these because as you wear these over time, they will get a little bit more flexible and will break in quite nicely. All right, so now let's talk about how I styled these. One of the things I love about Uggs, you've probably seen a lot of celebrities styling these quite fashionably. So this has not become kind of the house silhouette or footwear that you just stay at home and wear. Now these are something that I feel like celebrities are loving, influencers are loving, just taking out and dressing up. And I've really had fun dressing these ones up as well, especially with this low cut. This is definitely something I can wear all year round. So for the first look, I decided to keep it pretty cozy with a nice gray sweatsuit from the Billionaire Girls Club. So I had a nice quarter zip sweatshirt with some matching gray sweats, but of course any color sweats are going to go great with this colorway, especially neutral color tones.
But I knew it was a lie. It's a game we play, but I'm playing for keeps. If you knew I was the one, why would you ever be cheap? Cause you got me on my mind, cross both ways all the time, thinking about left and right. I want you on my side.
And then for the second look, I decided to dress it up with a white mini dress. So nice, simple white tones. I feel like go great with this.
This could be yours. Let's go explore. This could be yours, 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 yours. Baby, I want more, 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 more. This could be yours, 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 yours. Baby, I want more. This could be all yours. Yeah.
For the last and final look, I wore a white top with some nice, just simple white denim jeans. Again, nice kind of classy feel.
You know I don't like to brag, but this is a situation. I need you in my bed, baby, no limitations. Hit it from the front, baby, hit it from the back. You know that I like it like that. Everything is cool, baby, everything's fine. Long as you're number one, I'll shine. What's on your mind? Give me a sign. Yeah. Nights with you. I like these nights with you. I like these nights with you. Nothing can take away the smile on my face. I can't help getting lost in the moment. My heart's on fire. We're only getting higher. It's a magical place where we're going. I like these nights with you. It's feeling like the start of something new. Let's dance under the moon. Yeah, yeah. I like these nights with you.
All right, so as far as retail goes, these are retailed at $150. They're currently available on UGG's website now, so definitely check out my links that I will have throughout this video. And I know for a fact that this is going to be the most trendy UGG for the rest of the season. It is such an incredible reimagined silhouette off of that classic boot that we all know and love. Thanks again, UGG, for sending these my way. That is it for this unboxing and review. If you joined us for the first time, thank you so much again. Be sure to hit that subscribe on your way out and give this video a thumbs up. My name is Marissa Hill. This is ShadeTV. We'll catch you all next episode.